In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a copy of a folder in Google Drive. This is a valuable skill that can help you manage your files more effectively. Whether you want to share a project without altering the original or keep a backup, duplicating folders is essential. Let's dive into the first step. To start, launch Google Drive on your device. You can do this by either opening your web browser and typing in drive.google.com or by using the Google Drive app if you have it installed. Once you are in Google Drive, you will see your files and folders displayed on the screen. This visual organization allows for easy navigation. If you're using the app, make sure you are signed into your Google account. This is crucial because it ensures that you have access to all your saved files. Once you have Google Drive open, you're ready to move on to the next step. Next, click on the folder labeled Open Drive Folder. This action is important because it directs you to the specific area where all your files are stored. If you have multiple folders, take a moment to locate the one you want to copy. This visual cue will help you understand the structure of your files, making it easier to find what you need. As you click on this folder, you will see all the contents displayed. It's a straightforward way to ensure you are working with the correct files. Once you have accessed the folder you want to duplicate, let's proceed to the following step. Now right-click the folder you want to copy and select Copy. This action is vital because it tells Google Drive that you want to create a duplicate of the selected folder. When you right-click, a context menu will appear with several options. Choosing Copy ensures that everything inside that folder will be included in your copy, which saves you time and effort later. Keep in mind that if the folder contains subfolders or files, they will also be copied. This is a great way to preserve your original work while creating a separate version. After you have clicked Copy, you are ready for the next step. From there, right-click on an empty space within your Google Drive area and select Paste. This action completes the copying process. By pasting, you are telling Google Drive to create a new folder using the copied content. It's a simple yet effective way to manage your files. After you select Paste, you may see a loading bar or an indication that the folder is being created. This visual feedback reassures you that your action is being processed. Once the folder appears, you can rename it if needed. Now that you've pasted the folder, let's move on to the final step. Finally, the new folder and all its contents will automatically sync back online. This means that your copied folder is now saved in your Google Drive, accessible from any device connected to your account. It's reassuring to know that your work is backed up and safe within Google Drive's cloud storage. This automatic syncing is one of the powerful features of Google Drive, ensuring you can access your files anytime, anywhere. With this, your folder duplication process is complete and you can now easily manage your files. Thank you for following along. You have successfully learned how to create a copy of a folder in Google Drive. Remember, this process not only helps in organizing your files, but also keeps your important documents secure. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy organizing!